Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Teacher to Creator, and this is the Monetization Report. Let's dive right in. So let's start here with the transformation channel. We got last week 25 hours of watch time, 6 new subscribers, not in the month, I think, in the last 28 days, and we're up to 518 views. And let's see what is doing the best. It's still the rise versus, this is the first time that the newer video overtook, so that's pretty cool. How I replaced body space, that was last week's video. It is the number two spot. It overtook the original Beyond Rise, and so that's pretty good right there. And in content, let's look dashboard. Let's look at dashboard. It says that my latest video, not too bad. I mean, it's not good, but it's something, right? And it's up. It's upward. It's in the right direction at least. 518 views last week. All right, let's look at the next channel. So here is the music channel, and we had a pretty good spike right here when I put out the last video, the last little short, and we got 51 hours, over 1K views on this one. 9 subscribers up on this one. That's pretty good. And let's look down here. Number 1 video for this one is still the air conditioning repair that we had on this one. And let's look at the dashboard real quick for this one. And it says the latest, the summary, 689 plus 9. So that's pretty good. This one's done pretty good last week. All right. And then the slowest one, we actually had a spike here when I put out the why I quit teaching little thing. 283 views got there total. So that's pretty good. That's the best this little channel has done in a long time. However, we lost a subscriber. Oh no. And best video is the one I did last week. So that's pretty good. Looking at the dashboard here, we have 58 minus 1, so we were at 59. We're gonna, hopefully this will start turning around. I'm excited in that on this channel we're still gonna be doing the pulse video, which is coming up soon, our first space video. And then on the other channel we have a new and exciting thing that we're gonna be doing over there on the Jeffery Curtis music channel. And so I'm excited about that. Just be looking out for something new there. All right. So that's how the channels are doing. It's been a rough week. Last week we were behind on everything because the computer crashed. My office computer crashed, and I really didn't have the $1,500 to go out and spend on a decent computer with a good video card and stuff. So I bought a couple hard drives and used my backup, which means I lost at least 3-4 months worth of data, but at least it's back up and running now, and we're in fact using it for this right now. So I do have my studio computer, but I've been having troubles connecting cameras to it for some reason. My Mac, I really love it though, but right now we're just using this one. All right. Thanks for joining us.